Welcome to StompPad Music and Coding Junior, where students explore music through movement and global discovery. In this innovative program, students actively engage with fundamental music concepts like rhythm, melody, and dynamics. Using Unruly Splats, they transform the classroom floor into an interactive musical playground, creating patterns and sequences by stomping on tiles. As part of our STEM Without Screens initiative, this course blends music theory and movement with hands-on play, ensuring students learn in active and engaging ways. Each focus area opens a new door to learning and creativity. In music and movement, students master rhythmic patterns by recreating them through active, hands-on games. They'll use Unruly Splats to explore tempo and beat, blending music theory with physical activity. Music around the world, students take a global musical journey, discovering diverse cultures by recognizing instruments, performing songs and dances, and playing musical games from around the world. Beyond musical skills, students develop a deep appreciation for the richness of global musical traditions. They'll finish the program with stronger rhythm, movement skills, and cultural awareness. Join us for this exciting musical adventure. Let's create, move, and explore the world of music together with StompPad Music and Coding Junior.